My name's Paquin. I'm the infection preventionist here at Cody Regional Health. So right now we're doing the EVS training for our new Xenux UV disinfectant robots. So we're just getting the EVS staff, the staff that's going to be using these robots to clean our rooms, just the education on how to operate one of these robots and how to safely perform their duties in patient rooms and emergency rooms in our long-term care center. Yeah, the robot uses a UV light that disinfects patient rooms after discharge or after a transfer. So essentially what it does is it prevents hospital-acquired infections, lowers infection rates, and it also protects our staff. I think that having these robots in our facility is definitely going to increase our capabilities to handle sick patients and prevent hospital-acquired infections. So I'm excited to see what this has in store for us.